So I'm from Elk Grove, California. It's near Sacramento. I came into Pacific originally wanting to be a physical therapist, so the exercise science program. I took a fermentation chemistry class, and that was one of the most fun classes I've taken here at Pacific. It was just a blast. And that kind of got me thinking, okay, chemistry is not just abstract things and numbers and a class to get through. It could actually be something really interesting and fun. Studying chemistry at Pacific is really awesome. You get very close-knit with your other chemistry students and professors as well, actually. Everybody is good friends with each other. We all like studying together, helping each other out with it. So it's just a really good environment. My research here at Pacific is essentially just simulating a chemical system with surfactant molecules in it. And we're looking at how, if you change the structure of these surfactant molecules a little bit, how it affects interfacial properties. A practical application of that would be we can improve or enhance any kind of soap or detergent, pretty much any kind of cleaning product. This is really important for the remediation of oil spills. In doing this research, I actually developed a love for computational chemistry and molecular simulations and stuff like that, and realized that that's what I want to do in the future. After graduating, I plan to either find a job where I can utilize what I've learned in this research, or eventually go into grad school where I can do similar research to this.